Hi guys, today we're going to be opening up 5 Sun and Moon packs. Let's get started. Our first card is in Steel Energy. Our second card is a Trumbeak, Potion, Torracat, Grubbin, Growlithe, Poplio, Wingull, Surskit. Our reverse is Cutiefly and a Parasect. For our second pack, we have a Solgaleo, Our first card is a Water Energy, Metapod, Torracat. Ooh, what's this one? Rainbow Energy. Never seen that before. Cutiefly. Dratini. Spearow. Psyduck. Eevee. A Nest Ball. And Incineroar. Pretty good. Steel Energy. A Golbat. Repel. Pinsir. Eevee. Psyduck. Spearow. Dratini. Cutiefly. Ooh, a Repel again. And a Butterfree. Got 2 more packs left, so I'm going to go Solgaleo again. I'm hoping to get a GX. Ooh, a white code for a change, because if I pull a GX, it will be my first GX. Our first card is a Fairy Energy, Poliwhirl, Prinoni, Timeable, Dewpider, Bonsweet, Lillipup, Paris, Pharaoh. A reverse is a Cutiefly. Ooh. And an Incineroar GX. That is my first ever GX. So I'm very happy about that. Pop it in a sleeve. There we go. Our last pack is an Incineroar. I don't mind if I don't get a GX now, because I have got 1, which is good. Better than none. Our first is a Lightning Energy, Torracat, Energy Switch, Trumbeak, Drowsy. I can't read that one. Sandile, Alolan Meowth, ooh. Pikipek, a Parasect, and a Hariyama. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.